It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm about to live my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause
Hey guys, my name's Shaniah. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. 2019, it's crazy. 2018 went so fast and it's unbelievable. It's my first video of 2019 and I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm really excited. I just put my last Invisalign retainer thing in. So got a bit of a lisp. Also my voice, I'm a bit run down. I've been to a few too many festivals at the beginning of the year and it's just damaged my voice. So I'm going to do a little try on haul for a company called Beginning Boutique, and I've loved this company for a while now, and it's a local company, so it's in the same state that I live in, and they've come a long way, and I just love the company as a whole, and everything they sell is amazing. They got you covered for any looks, like partying, festivals, you name it. I'm going to show you some items I got, and if you like any of the items, everything will be linked below. Make sure to check them out if you like any. I've already worn some of these pieces and I've already got heaps of compliments on them and people were asking me where they're from, so I'm really excited to film this. I'll start off with this. So this is a long jumpsuit. Yeah, it's like a jumpsuit. It's like a bandeau style one. It's got a little clip on the back with like gold detailing, and I just am obsessed with this, honestly. This is perfect formal events or formal settings in general. So like wedding. This would honestly be perfect for a wedding. Not sure if you're allowed to wear white, but it's got gold clasp detailing all the way down on one leg, and then it's just plain on the other. But this material is so soft and comfy, and it's really thick, so it's really durable, and I think this is the perfect material because it doesn't get too hot, but then it's not too cold, so it's perfect for winter as well. And it has a little zip on the back. I'm really sorry about my voice, it's really irritating me. I just love how it sits here, and it pushes your boobs up nicely, which is also good. I'm just in love with this. This is one of the best qualities. Normally companies who make their own clothing brand within the company aren't the best quality, but their stuff is the best quality. Even for other items I got, this is their exclusive clothing items.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Next item I'll show you is this really gorgeous gold dress. This is an exclusive from Beginning Boutique as well, and it's called The Edit. This is size extra small. It is the most softest, silkiest material, and I love how it reflects in the sun. And this gold is such a gorgeous color. And I love the gold detailing. It has a gold clasp. It's kind of a backless dress, but with a little clip, which I love. My favorite part is at the front. It has a little chain with a rose on it. I think that's the most gorgeous detail. And you can unclip it as well, which is amazing. This material, it's quite thin, so you won't get too sweaty in it, and it's really soft. Makes your figure look so nice in this. This would be perfect to wear to like a nice dinner or anniversary or anything like that.
you might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. Say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true?
Next, last outfit I got is this one. Sorry about that, my hair's dried already because the battery ran out, so I had to quickly charge it up, and that's why I look a little different and it's a bit later and the lighting's probably changed. So the next and last outfit I got was this Really cute, super comfy tank top, crop top with matching pants, and they're sold separately, but I got extra small in both, which fit absolutely perfectly. And I love how stretchy they are, and the pants are quite a thick material, which is perfect for winter, and the top is a bit more thin material, so you do have to wear sticky boobs under it, but I think it's the softest material and detailing in them. But really nice big pockets in the pants, super flowy, and look how stretchy that is. This is probably my favorite outfit. I'm going to wear this all the time, whether it's to bed or going out and matching it with cute little sneakers, and you can match it with this cute little bag that I got.
So deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you.
I got this little side handbag, and it's super cute. I love the detailing, gold detailing, clip-on strap, and I love this detailing. I think you can hold it like a little purse around your wrist, or just adds extra detail when it's a handbag, and then another little gold circle there. I think it's the perfect sizing. It can fit your wallet and your phone in it, anything small like that, and the quality of this is really good as well.
But fear the silence with things they think from me. You keep haunting me.
Whilst I'm on the topic of accessories, I got these super simple but elegant hoop earrings. They're also gold to match the bag. It matches the gold circle detailing on the bag perfectly. And last but not least, I know this is a little haul, but these pieces are perfect to style any day. So last are these socks. It's hard to show you, but they're just white socks, which you can never have enough of because you always lose them, they get dirty, and yeah, it's always good to get a new pair. And it's got a cute little red love heart, and that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed watching. I had so much fun filming this. This is my first video of 2019, and I can't wait to create more cool content. And I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day or night. And don't forget to check out Beginning Boutique. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.